Hey everyone, Travels with Justin here, and we are in the Nobu penthouse suite, Las Vegas. And this room is awesome. I mean, it's huge. So you can have rooms that are connected if you want to. There's one there, and there's also another one over here, which we don't, so we just have the penthouse, just the suite. But I mean, it's so awesome having 2 floors. Yeah. So it's so spacious. Got the pool table, hangout area right here. Bose speaker. And then the view from out to outside isn't anything too crazy. I mean, it's just kind of like the inside of the Nobu hotel area. But you got a huge TV if you want to watch TV. And then, like I said, if you had those conjoining or connected bedrooms up top, that'd be perfect. If you have other groups with you. Over here you have the wet bar area. One thing I like about the Nobu hotels is they have a great selection in the mini bar, like nice Japanese beers, plenty of other things. Nice little seating area at the bar. And then the bedroom is on the first floor, which I kind of found a little odd. I figured maybe it'd be up on the second. So you got a bathroom out here if you have guests. I'm guessing this is a closet. So, spacious closet for downstairs. Then you have the bedroom and then the main bathroom. Super huge shower. Seating area. Awesome bathtub setup. 2 sinks. Some nice Nobu robes you can use. And then you also have this bathroom, so for your private bathroom inside your bedroom. Nice king bed. Seating area inside the bedroom. So I mean, this suite is huge, and it's just nice. It's really similar layout to the Saki suite. More so, you just have the, such bigger ceiling with all the space. Because without the connecting rooms, it's like a very similar layout somewhat. But I mean, this is just way nicer. It's just a beautiful suite. So definitely looking forward to just chilling out in here. Perfect way to escape the craziness of Las Vegas.